DOOGEE company launching a new smartphone named N40 Pro. The smartphone comes with a premium-looking backside that has a leather-like pattern and helps in preventing fingerprints on the smartphone's rear side. There is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor combined with a power button and a trendy 4-camera setup on the back. It's made available in 4 different beautiful colors of midnight blue, forest green, classic black and caramel brown. When it comes to specifications, the device packs some interesting hardware. It comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In camera department, the smartphone comes with a quad rear camera, a single front camera. There is a 20-megapixel primary sensor on the rear side and an 8-megapixel wide-angle sensor, 2-megapixel macro camera and another sensor for depth effect. On the front, there is a 60-megapixel Samsung sensor for selfies and video calling. DOOGEE N40 Pro carries a 6.52-inch display with a resolution of 720 by 1620 pixels resolution with the 20:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone comes with a large 6380 mAh battery, which is enough to provide you with a 2-day battery life. It features a dual nano SIM card. DOOGEE N40 Pro will go on sale from July 26. The original price is $169.99, but between 26 and 28 July, the N40 Pro will be sold for a discount price of $129.99. DOOGEE has also prepared a giveaway for you, where 10 lucky winners will be selected to win 5 N40 Pro devices and 5 NCS2 Pro smartwatches. The official links are below the video. Don't forget to visit them, and good luck to everyone in this giveaway. See you soon with a new video. Bye.